Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on post approval in Facebook group. So let's go to the Facebook group first. Then you have to scroll down till you find group settings. This one, go to group settings and then scroll down till you find manage discussion. This one. Under this manage discussion, you'll find here require post approval. This one. You have to click on this pencil icon, and if you click on and turn on click on save, your group post approval is turned on. Okay, if someone post in the group, it will be asked for the approval from the admin. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.